Hello everyone, today we will talk about this object. So this is a very important concept in JavaScript which basically represents the calling object, and it also solves the problem of tight coupling. So what I mean, let me show you by the example. Say an example, I have a var person1 and that person1 is having the name property, say Raman, and it has a say hi one method equals to, not equals to, colon, sorry, function, and here I'm saying document dot write name. I want to print the name. Okay, so here I'm saying person1 dot say hi. I want to call this method. So as per this, you might be thinking the name should be printed as Raman. So let us see what is the output. Okay, so there is nothing coming up. There is no output. So where we are mistaking? We are doing mistake here. We will say person1 dot name. Now let us see. Now it prints Raman because name is associated with the person1 object. But this is called tight coupling. When you are specifying that you have an object and you are putting that object name dot property name, this type is called the tight coupling. So to get rid of this tight coupling, what we will do, we use this. So let us see, the output is same. So here this indicates the calling object. So calling object is what? Person1. So when I'm saying person1 dot say hi, it will go here and this is replaced with the person1. Now let's understand more use of this object. So I will take one function and function name is say hello for all. Okay, and here I'm printing document dot write this dot name. So I'm just printing this dot name. Now what I'm doing, I'm creating one person class or variable, you can say, equals to, and here I'll say name Raman, comma, and I will create one method say hi, and in this method what I'm saying equals to say hello for all. I'm just referencing that particular function. Okay, now same way I'm creating one more object similar to person, which we call this person1 and we call this person2, and name I can put as Raja and say hello. Right, I'm printing this. So what I have done so far, I have created one method and two objects. So object 1 and object 2. So far so good. Now next what I want to create one more local variable, say name equals to someone. Now let us see what will happen. See what I am doing here. For person 1, I'm saying name equals to Raman. Say hi equals to say hello for all. Say hello for all is a function which is printing the name, this dot name. Now let us see here, person 1 dot say hi and person 2 dot say hi, what it prints, and only say hello, what it prints. So we have three concepts. Say hello for all. Okay, what I will do here, I'll put a break line so that all these three will be in the separate line. Okay, so let us see. So see, first Raman, Raja and someone. So Raman, person 1 dot name, it printed Raman, and person 2 it printed Raja, and save this printed someone. So why it is doing so? See, when I am calling person 1 dot say hi, this is basically referring to the this method. It will go here. Now calling object is person 1, so this will be replaced with the person 1 and it will print this dot name means Raman. Same case with the person 2. Now in the second case, in this case, the this object is represented by person 2. Now once it come over here, at that time this local variable is having the value name equals to someone. So this represents the local variable, and this dot name it will print someone. So this way we can use the this object, and that is really very important. And sometimes it is very confusing, but let us understand this. So I'm trying to explain this object so that it will not confuse you. Now this object is is used in JavaScript and remove the tight coupling. So tight coupling we have removed it. Now we are not mentioning person 1 dot name, person 2 dot name, or this. We all are replaced. These all are replaced with the this object. Now next is we can change the value of this. Okay, so there are a couple of ways we can change the value of this. So there are three methods that allow you to change the value of this object. So there are some methods which allow the value of this. So let me explain you. So say an example. I have this. I don't. Let me have one property for the person 1 and one property for person 2, and I have name, and here I'm taking one variable, say label, and I'm printing here br label br plus label plus colon, just to separate these two strings. This. So I'm removing all this, and now I'm saying, so I have person 1 which has name property Raman, person 2 which has name property Raja, and I have a normal name which has someone. Now this method say hello for all, there is a method called call. Okay, so in this method it takes first which object we are referring. So I'm saying this object. I want to refer this object, means not person 1 or person 2. I'm referring the current object, comma. Now the value of label. Label I am saying global. Okay. Now say same way here I am saying person 1 and I'm just saying person 1. Same way I'm saying for the person 2. Okay. So here the first parameter is the this or person 1 or person 2. So here it will print, and second parameter is my label. So the output will be global colon this dot name is someone. And same way here the output will be person 1 colon and this dot name is Raman. And same way it is person 2 colon Raja. So let us see the output. So as you see, the output is global someone, person 1 Raman, person 2 Raja. Okay, so this is the call method which is basically used to change the value of the this object. Next is the apply method. So this is same as call method. We use the apply, but it is used for the array object. So here I can pass the as an array. Same way here I will call apply person 1. I pass as an array. So we can use argument here, arguments of the function property, and here I can use apply. So output would be same. Just passing the parameter is in the form of array. Now next method which change this value is the bind method. So bind method is basically something, say an example, I have this label, this name. Now let me remove this, and here I am saying where say hi to person 1 equals to say hello for all dot bind method. So here what I'm doing, I'm binding an object. So I'm binding person 1 here, and I'm saying say hi to person 1, and I need to pass the label. So I'm saying person 1. So it will print person 1 Raman. So these are the three objects, three methods which we can use to change the value of this. So I hope you understand the concept of this and what are the different methods are used to change the value of this. If you like it, please subscribe for further update. Thank you.